Hi, my name is Lori with Figs Catering in Austin, Texas. On behalf of Expert Village, today we're going to show you how to make an entire Thanksgiving meal. And now we're ready to bake our vegetarian mushroom stuffing. So I've got a glass pan here, and what I'm going to do is just spray it with some pan spray. And this will help keep it from sticking and make cleanup just a little bit easier for you. And now I'm just going to gently put my stuffing into this container. Go ahead and press it down and make sure that you get a lot in there. And this recipe looks like it's going to make about 2 panfuls, which is great. Another little trick you can do with this is you can put them in cupcake containers and make like individual stuffing portions. That looks great. Now I'm ready to put it in the oven. I'm going to put it in a 325-degree oven for about 50 minutes.